got the wheel for the Peg Perego Gator. His other wheels are starting to split. They haven't even lasted a year, and they also don't have any grip on it. Like, they're just hard plastic. And so if he's trying to go up the hill, it's not that big of a hill. He can't even go up that. So what I did was I wrapped the wheel with an old bicycle tire, and hopefully it'll give it some bit more grip and maybe help prevent some of the splitting we saw. So hopefully it works good. Surprise! Don't put anything in it, right? Self-tapping screws for metal studs. So, and it has just enough thread to catch on and big enough head to hold the grip. So that is what we are.
No, the wheels. It's like the wheels. I like the ride.